Oh my God!
Previously on Living with a Rotary, the man, the legend Josh from Rotary Revs rebuilt Felix's engine in a matter of hours.
We have takeoff.
And last week we put the 8 on their dyno for tuning and flames. All was going well until...
the AFR is starting to lean out as we go further up.
Is that what, fuel pump?
Maybe.
Welcome back to another glorious episode of Living with a Rotary, featuring Felix, Joshua.
Hey, what's up, man?
You'll remember from last week the fuel pump died, so new fuel pump is going in, and you can tell them.
We're gonna put a proper exhaust on. It's gonna be like...
Anyway, I've been looking through some of the comments. Loads of people saying, is Josh freakishly tall or is Alex freakishly short? The answer is neither, actually. I just did like a really heavy set of squats. As you can see, we're both 6'2", 6'3"?
6'3".
Some of you saying that he should replace me, which is awesome. Jack, you're nodding.
I can't replace you.
Thanks, man.
You could.
I'll give you that, Jack. So, fuel pump, exhaust, back on the dyno, tune, flames, pops and bangs. Let's do it! Let's go. Jack, up. Jeez, he's ruined it. We're gonna have to cut.
So we've got the Cytec E85 pump, but obviously we're in the UK, we don't have that. This is a fuel pump that's compatible with a lot of high performance fuels, and it moves a lot more fuel than the stock pump. This is 300 litres per hour, so it's more than enough for an NA RX-8. I think that is proper bang now.
While Josh and I celebrate the new fuel pump, Teddy starts piecing together the lovely new Petit Racing exhaust, which should make Felix snap, crackle and pop like a champ.
Oh my God, it passes with flying colours. That is amazing. That is a sign of a good car if you can piss the exhaust. Now is a very interesting and exciting moment. We've got the Petit Racing Catback exhaust installed, fuel pumps in. So now the only thing that's left to do is to start it up and listen to the exhaust for the first time. This is going to make it sound completely different, right?
This is going to be nothing like you've ever heard a Rotary before.
All right, go.
Let's do this! That's different, isn't it?
That is very different. Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Gets me every time.
With the car on the dyno, D jumps in to make some final adjustments to the RX-8's tune and then flames.
Oh my God!
After Felix's final tune, we achieved a top power figure of 194.2 wheel horsepower. But bear in mind, this is Rotary Revs hub dyno. To work out the exact power and torque increases, we need to head back to Surrey Rolling Road, where we got our original figure of 162.9 horsepower at the flywheel, which we'll do later in the episode.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, Felix is officially awesome now. We have flames, we have pops and bangs. It's just been on the dyno again. This is the last time, no, it's probably not. This is one of the last times that we're going to be here at Rotary Revs. So I just wanted to say a massive thank you to the guys. This is owner Ben, by the way. So thank you very much for having us down.
It's been a real pleasure, mate.
It's been awesome. Yeah. Josh, you're a legend. Teddy, thanks for your help.
No problem.
And Dee, thanks for being an awesome producer and also and also doing a wicked tune. The only thing that's left to say is we have a wicked car. Let's just embrace the moment, guys. Yeah! And massive thank you to Rotary Revs again. If you've got a Rotary, if you're thinking about getting a Rotary, give these guys a call. Get compression test before you buy, like I should have done. And if you have one, then come up here. It's definitely worth the trip. One more hug. Yeah! And now you join me back at Surrey Rolling Road. We've got Felix here again. Before, we were making 162.9 horsepower at the flywheel. And that was appalling.
It was a bit shit. Yeah.
I still remember your face. It was a picture. Insert face.
Yeah.
Today is a new day, and today is also a very good day for me and for many of you guys, because I've got nothing but love for the Rotary Rev guys. But you know, when they talk like that and you ask them, how's car doing? And they're like, maybe, I don't quite know, maybe, it's proper peng, like, you know. You have no idea what I just said, right?
No.
So anyway, I digress. Shall we get started? What's your prediction for Felix?
Oh, I'd want to see over 200 horsepower.
200 horsepower, you say, Charlie? I'm going to go for, at the fly, 213.7. Let's get this show on the road. Let's get Felix dynoed.
I'll do 3 runs then, 3 pulls, and I am going to rev the tits off it this time.
Excellent.
Which will please those of you who spotted that Charlie limited Felix's last runs to around 8,000 RPM, because he wasn't confident that the broken Rotary could take any more.
Do me proud.
Have I missed something? Charlie must be playing with me, right?
You haven't finished.
Well, yeah. Not sure what's going on there.
Really?
Yeah. It's not right.
What's not right?
You've got this big hole. You get to like 6.8.
Yeah.
And this just flattens off, pack of just flattens off. And then it jumps up, but something's not quite right there.
Interesting. Not what anyone expected.
No. But it didn't feel misfire to me. The fueling's all good. And the map and everything, it just doesn't feel right.
Gonna have to make a phone call. Oh God. Oh, let's cut there for a while, shall we?
And so I called, you guessed it, Josh, who told me it could be one of 2 things.
Now should be the moment where I'm like sexily draping myself over Felix, saying what a hero he is. When in fact I'm slumped on Felix because I can't believe it. Another week, something else has broken. Now I just want to stress and reiterate, nothing to do with Rotary Revs. The engine is amazing. So another week, another failure. Still love Felix, what an awesome car. But yeah, you, Felix. You've done it again. You've shafted me, not in a good way. Thoughts, Charlie? I know you're standing there because you're also deflated.
It's still
Could have something to do with the fact that I've got lots of pops and bangs and I've been doing nothing but pops and bangs. On the way home from Bradford, on the way here, something's gone wrong. Rotaries are awesome in principle, but in reality, not so awesome. Let me out, please, Charlie.
After diagnosing the issue and spending £12 on a part, the problem was
this SSV, or the secondary shutter valve solenoid. That's buggered. The SSV is situated at the back here. It's the second one down with a white connector, so I've just changed that. But yeah, hopefully this will fix it. Rotary fun. Standard RX-8 life.
Next week on Living with a Rotary, I'll introduce Felix to an RX-8 we've already featured before. Yep, this lovely R3 belongs to a good friend of CT's, Dan Shipman, and after blowing his engine on track last year, it was rebuilt and bridge-ported with lightened rotors by Rotary Revs. So it'll be interesting to explore the differences between street-ported Felix and Dan's bridge-ported R3, and to finally experience Felix the Flamethrower at 9,000 RPM on the open road. I can't wait.
So there you have it, another Living with a Rotary episode, another failure, which is really annoying, but it's part and parcel of having a Rotary. Still love it, still hate it, still going to continue doing the series. Anyway, to see the rest of the series, click this link to subscribe to Car Throttle. It is over here, and don't forget to check out the Car Throttle shop for cool merchandise like this rather fetching t-shirt. Plus, we also do a calendar. We got some cool stuff there. Ta-ta for now. Josh, play me out. Oh yeah, I'm down south.